Hello student, once again I am welcoming you all in the series of learning HTML. Student, we have learned about font and its attribute color. Font and its attribute color. So font, after that you have to use color equal color code. I am going to give red, and at the last you have to close font tag. Just pay attention here, opening HTML, at the last closing HTML tag, after that opening head, closing head, then under head title open. This is title name of your web page and title tag close. So basically you can say that we have followed all the basic structure of HTML coding. Now you can see it in different line here. Okay, and HTML. Student, opening body tag, there are few lines, and lines are learn HTML with Raja sir. I'm sure ki you all are knowing about font and its attribute color. Those who are not knowing, just find the video related to this. It is available in my channel. So student, today we will learn about next attribute of font tag, which is size, and and next one is face. So once again I'm going to give you an example of color attribute of font tag. So here font color red, then br, it will change the line, then learn HTML with Raja sir, and font tag close. Okay, so how to save? Yes student, click on file tab, click on save button, save dialog box will display. Here I will suggest select desktop, and in the file name box type any name. I am going to write font and its attribute. And one thing very important, dot html. Yes student, don't forget to write dot html, it is extension of HTML file. So desktop is location and this one is file name. So I am going to save it. Save. Now at the top you can find font and its attribute. Notepad is software name, this one is your file name. So just minimize it, find this document on desktop. Here desktop, you can find all these things here, font and its attribute, and you can see Internet Explorer. So just open it. Yes, I have opened it, just see it. I'm going to show you. Yes, here is the screen, you can find it. Learn HTML with Raja sir. First line is in red color and rest of three lines are in black color, because we have to use, I'm going to show you. Right click on this area, the blank web page, and here you can see that view source. View source will display, will show you the all coding here. HTML, this is a few this is in very small font size, which I can't make it very bigger. So you can see font here, color red, and then learn HTML with Raja sir and font close. So because of this, these all entire thing, the first line is in red color. So suppose you want to make all in red, all in different color. So how to make changes? Right click on this file, open with, and select notepad option. This one is notepad. Yes, and you can find your code is there. Yes, so these all are code. We have learned about color. Once again I am explaining it. because in last video we have discussed it in different platform. It was not available on notepad. So font color code I'm going to copy. Again I'm going to paste it in front of every code, in front of every line, and make some changes so that it can be readable form. Br tag learn HTML here, slash font you have to also copy. Okay, I have copied it and paste another slash font and last slash font. So student, here red I am going to write green, and again I am going to write yellow, and in last I am going to write blue. Okay, once again you have to click on file tab and save the changes, but just click on save button, save, close it again. Okay, write it, right click, open with Internet Explorer because you want to see your web page. If you click on notepad, so it will comes in notepad form where you can type, where you can edit your code. And if you click on Internet Explorer, so it will open your web page. So here, yes, now you can find all the lines in different four color. Okay student, so once again I am going to show you another coding of size. So open it with notepad, and just here where you have written color equal red, just make a comma and make a space and write down another attribute which is size, size, size equal, I am going to give size 7. Okay, and nothing change. Again file, again click on save, close it, and again font and its attribute, right click, open with notepad or Internet Explorer. Notepad will let you edit and Internet Explorer will open, will show your web page. Click on here, yes. So you can find the learn HTML with Raja sir, which is in red color, first line. It is in big size than all these three. Why? Because this is default size of web page. And first line, here you have made font size 7. If you want to make changes in size of all, so right click, open with notepad, and this one comma and size equal, you have to write with everywhere, it with you have to write with every code. I am going to give size everywhere, and here 7 size, here I am going to give 3 size, here I am going to 5 size, and here I am going to give any size, but maximum size is 7, or you can type anything. Okay student, make sure only one font close will be there. Why? Because only one font is there. So what is color and what is size? So color and size are attributes. Student, just see the output, file, again save, close it, right click, open with Internet Explorer. Okay, now you can see all are in different. This one is 7 size, this one is 3 size, this one is 5 size, and last one is 6 size. So student, I hope you have learned something new. Student, please subscribe my channel, write comments about your doubts, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you, good luck.